Welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but your girl has been busy. Also, it's very important that you keep a clear mind when you're wanting to trade. So, I wanted to post a short video for you guys about finding trend lines. Something that helps me in the market when I get a little bit confused sometimes, or you know how it is when you get in the market and you get to trading and you think you're sure, but then you're unsure. Um, Basically, you need to stay on the right side of the market, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So, by staying on the right side of the market, meaning the daily, the weekly, and the monthly charts, right? So this will help a little bit with your psychology. If you understand the direction for the week, how are you going to treat that day or the days during that week? We all know that it's 7 days in a week, right? And we know that each candlestick on the weekly time frame holds a significant amount of data for that day or that week. So this is exactly what I mean on the monthly time frame. Let's go over. You see that very last candlestick right there on the monthly time frame. I show a little bit of indecision. I see the market is kind of going up, so that has to be a pullback. Let me go down to the weekly. Staying on the right side of the market. Mind you, that also, 1 second. Let me go back to, okay, I am on a weekly. Show you what I like to do. I always like to grab a vertical line and place it over that candlestick just to help my psychology, remember? So at this point, you can look for trends. What I found out is I found this cool indicator, which is one of my favorites. I be trying to use all the free stuff up I can. Like, I don't even have a membership on TradingView. Look, you got Trendlines V2 by Lonesome. So I add that indicator to my chart. And it should detect trend lines for you. Most of the time it does it like on a higher time frame. And that gives me a sense of direction. We're gonna go down to the daily now. It hasn't picked up any, so let me go to the monthly. And sometimes you don't want to go up that far, but this is just trend lines, mind you. There we go. Y'all see that? It did add another line though. Let me delete that vertical. I'm already 3 minutes in. My gosh. I was trying to stay lower than that. Sorry, you guys. I'm gonna need to delete some of this stuff off of my computer, so it won't be going so daggone slow. Okay, so there's a trend line. What I like to do now is I go over here and get a trend line, put it right there at the origin, and make it go out. I kind of like mirror it, sorry, right on top of the trend line that they gave me. See that? So let's keep scrolling down. So if you can clearly see a trend line on the daily time frame, look, there go another one. You see? If you can clearly see a trend line on the daily time frame, then you know to go to the hour or go down to lower time frames and you'll have more entries because it's going in the direction of the daily time frame, if that made sense. Let that marinate. For some of you guys, that might be a aha moment. I said, if you clearly can see a trend on the daily time frame, then you know to go down to the hour or to lower time frames for more entries. I always take this indicator off once I find all the trend lines that I can. Again, this is going to help me in the market. So I see right now that it's going up, up. So more than likely, I need to probably be catching some buys in the market somewhere. I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour right now. I'm trying to keep this as short as possible, but I promise you it'll help you out and help you to stay on the right side of the market. Again, go to tradingview.com, go to indicators, add trendline V2, look at it from a higher time frame, and look, it even gave me one on the top on the 4 hour. You see what I'm saying? That look like it's forming a wedge. So guess what I'm gonna do? You know, trend lines are made to be broke. No, you gotta follow. The trend is your friend, man. The trend is always your friend. Always go with the trend. I don't know what's up with this chart, man. Don't want to let me be great.